Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a e-commerce store in WordPress. For that, you need to have a CPanel hosting account, and after logging to your CPanel account, you can go down and find the option called WP Toolkit. Just click on that and just click on install. So here you are going to install a new WordPress in your domain. Okay, in my case, I'm going to select a subdomain for the development purpose, and I'm going to create this as a subfolder called shop. Okay, and after that I'm going to select certain settings like the username, the password, and the admin email. Okay, make sure you copy and save this username and the password and just click on install. Wait until the installation is completed. Once the installation is done, you'll be able to see the website link here. You can click it to open the website in a new tab. Now you are having your WordPress default version installed in your server. Try to go to your admin panel by typing WP admin after the URL. Here you can enter the username and the password what we have created before. Now after logging to your admin panel, we are going to use a famous plugin for converting your WordPress website into an e-commerce store. So for that, you have to go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here you have to type WooCommerce, and you will be able to see this plugin. Just click on install. Once the installation is done, you can click on activate. Here you will be taken to the WooCommerce configuration page where you have to set up your store. Just click on set up my store and enter the details. Select the details, select the name of your store. Here I'm going to name it as cats and dogs food, and select the category and the store location and just click on continue. I can select all these details whichever is applicable for me. In my case, I'm going to skip this step. Now the WooCommerce is installed in your store. After installation of the WooCommerce, you can add your products by clicking this link, add product, and you can select whether the product is physical or whether your product is having different variants or not. So in my case, I'm going to select this as single product and just entering the name of the product. Enter the name of the product. You can add the description of the product, and here you can add the price. If you are having sale price, you can add them also. Like if you are going to give a discounted price like 80 dirhams for the product which costs 100 dirhams, you can add it here also. And after that, you can select the inventory and enter the SKU. You can add whether the product is in stock or not, or if you want to track the stock, you can also track the stock quantity by entering the track quantity here. And you can also enter the shipping weight of the product, dimension, or anything like that. And if you want to add the attribute like the color, size, or anything, you can also add them here. Here I'm going to enter 1 kg and 2 kg and just click on save attribute, and after that I can select the product photo. So here I'm going to add the main photo of the product. So just click on set product image and select the file from your system. Just upload the product photo and set the product image. Okay, and after that, if you're having more than one product, you can click on here and you can upload multiple images from here and add to gallery. You can add multiple image to your gallery, and after that, if you want to add the product short description, you can also add it here. And once you're done, just click on publish. In order to view the product, you can click on view product and you will be able to see the product here. Okay, now go back to your website user side and find the extra option which is created by the WooCommerce. Now once you add your products, you can add them to different categories also. For that, you can click on the categories and you can add the category. If you want to upload the category image, you can also do that from here. And go back to all products and just click on the dog product, and if you want to add them to the category, you can also do that from here. Just select the dog food and update the product, so it will be added to the category dog food. So now you have created your online store in WordPress. Okay, so now you can go to your WordPress website and find the shop link, or you can find the products within your store. Okay, so here I can see the product which I have added now, and just click on this. I can find all the details which I have created, like the short description or the long description, additional information like what all sizes are available, and if I'm having variant, I can also add the variants from here. Okay, and after that you can try to add the product to the cart, like by clicking on add to cart, and you will be able to see the product within your cart. Okay, this is the cart page. If you want to increase the quantity, you can also do that from here. And if you notice, you can see that this is the sale price what we have created, because we have added the price as 100 dirhams and we have made the sales price at 80 dirhams. So that's why it's showing like this. And after that, you will be able to see all the information here, and you can click on proceed to checkout, and people can check out the product also. Okay, so this is how you can create your e-commerce website using WooCommerce. Okay, in next videos I will try to include more features like adding the payment gateway, adding shipping, and more details. Thank you.